So today I have got a new one from Amazon. This is Artman batteries for GoPro Hero 8. Was thinking I only have one battery for my GoPro 8 and that won't last long if I have to do a continuous recording while if we do something, if I have to record in a longer period of time. So I was searching on Amazon and then I found this brand. It's got a lot of good things about it. So let me open this. This is just an unboxing, but I can definitely give you a review later on how it performs. But here's the thing. First is a cable. Yes, so it is a USB-C cable, so that is good. I've got a USB cable that I use to charge my NP970 batteries, and you might have seen the previous video, so I'm going to use that. I'm not going to use this, but I'm going to keep this as a spare cable. This can be used in a lot of devices now, so that's good. And here comes the little manual. I'm not going to use that. And the batteries. That's the battery. And you have 3 of them. So I'm gonna take all 3 of them out, and this is the charger. This is cute. This is good because when you travel, that's gonna be helpful because you don't want to leave the batteries lying around, like that, or put it in a pouch or a case. This comes with a case, so it's easy for you to charge and also to carry. Look at that. So I can basically put that one in there, then close it, and then same USB-C that'll charge all 3 of the batteries. I think the wall charger might be faster, but I assume that you can also use power banks to charge this, which is good. So here we go. There's another one, and then there's another one. There's a click onto it. So let me try this. So this is a Sony charger that I'm going to use. I just changed the USB cable depending on what I'm going to use, if it's A6600 or ZVE10. Gonna plug this in. Boom, there it works. It does work. Okay, that shows each battery's, it's actually red. I don't know why. Yeah, it's showing as orange or yellow in the camera, but it's actually red. Yeah, I have to do the white balance, I think, on my camera. There you go. So that is beautiful, and I like it. I'll update you how long does the charge last with this battery, and how does my Hero 8 go with this. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please let me know. I will try my best to answer. Thank you. Bye.